The BMW XM is the Bavarian automaker's flagship SUV, so it was about time that tuners take note and made it even more eye-catching. Renegade Design, based in Dubai, showed a carbon fiber body kit for the XM, with a limited production run of 10 units for the first batch. The body kit does not differ significantly from the basic BMW design, but it does include more conspicuous aero components and replaces the factory trim pieces with new carbon fiber ones. Front-end changes include a larger hood cover, a splitter, and revised inserts on the intakes and surrounding the LED kidney grille. Wider fenders, aerodynamic side skirts, mirror covers, and side moldings are added to the profile, and the owner can opt for larger forged wheels for a sportier aspect. Finally, carbon fiber is used on the spoiler, around the reflectors, and on the diffuser, which includes an F1 style brake light. Each body kit will be manufactured and numbered separately. Renegade Design provides a variety of customizing possibilities, including various carbon treatments and colors. The most potent XM label red produces 738 horsepower, 550 kilowatts, and 738 pounds-to-foot, 997 Newton-meters, of torque from its twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8, and single electric motor. The tuner announced that pre-orders for the kit are now being accepted, however pricing was not disclosed. Despite the fact that all of the images and videos are renderings, Renegade Design indicates that production has already begun. The first shipments are expected to begin at the end of September.